Whoa, don't jiggle the camera.
Hey, Mom.
Don't jiggle the camera.
Mom, I licked you.
I know. You silly. There's a little kitty cat. Where's Tigger and the mouse? Oh, Evie, you lost your mouse head.
I think she's a leopard. A leopard.
She's a leopard? There's Tigger. And there's another dog in there. He's hiding.
Come on.
Here comes another dog. Ah! Isaac, chill out. He's just playing.
Yeah, but he was hurting me.
Okay, then just say, oh, hold on, you're hurting me. You don't have to scream in his face, okay?
Okay.
He doesn't mean to hurt you.
Mom.
Meow. Uh-oh. The dog is attacking the cat. We got some wild animals in here. Where's the mouse? Evie, where's the mouse? Evelyn, where's the mouse?